I had been to some exhibitions and I had seen a sawmill. It gave me a little idea of how to get started. I built one, but I kept improving it until it was ready. At some point, word spread around and a man from Ascot Corner came to see me. I had one that I had started and he bought it. I did that for 10 years, but at one point I was getting older and my son seemed to be interested, so I gave it to him.
I saw the potential. I liked working with metal, I liked working with wood, so those two things combined. I started looking at what the competition was doing and said, we can improve this. We added jacks. We added rollers to make it easier to transport logs. I didn't want to build commercial, industrial machines. I always focused on small machines that are reliable, simple, and affordable for everyday people. At the beginning, we had only one model, the Big Red. Then what people wanted was a more powerful machine, so we developed the Green Monster. After that, it was the opposite. People came to see us and asked, what's your cheapest sawmill? That's when the Little Blue was born. It's not rare for a customer to come buy a sawmill, then the next year come for a processor, and the year after that for a loader. It's really a company that offers a full line of equipment, and I'm very proud of that. In 2017, we got our first distributor in the United States. It started very progressively, and today, this year, over 30% of our sales are in the US. We develop 1 to 2 new products each year, and it's going to be very interesting for our customers in the future. We're close to 4,000 sawmills built since 1998. That's huge.
I started this in a small garage, and now today when you see a place like this and all the sawmills outside, it's impressive.